Hello YouTube, welcome to AB and Jack Media YouTube channel, and here we keep things simple.
Hello everyone, I'm going to take you on a tour of 10 Photoshop shortcuts you must know to make your journey as a photo editor easy and very stress-free. This tutorial is going to be in 2 parts, so when you're done watching this video, I want you to go ahead and watch the second part as soon as it comes out. The second part shows you how to apply these shortcuts with examples so you get a better understanding of how to use every one of them. These shortcuts are necessary because they help to make you flexible. They give you flexibility when you're working. They also save time. They make your work faster. You finish jobs faster. It helps to reduce stress and make the whole process of editing easier. So let's get straight into it. The first shortcut is the duplicate layer shortcut. And the second shortcut is the merge layer shortcut. The third one is the add mask and invert mask shortcut. That is to add a mask and invert it afterwards. The fourth shortcut is to add or subtract selection. The fifth shortcut is the undo shortcut. The sixth one is the redo shortcut. The seventh one is the invert shortcut. And the eighth shortcut is the zoom in shortcut. The ninth shortcut is the zoom out shortcut. And the 10th shortcut is the hand tool shortcut. Now, as a beginner, the hand tool shortcut may be confusing at this point, but in the part 2 of this video, I will explain everything to you and you will see that it's not that difficult after all. Okay, so this is a quick tour of the 10 most valuable shortcuts in Photoshop. I want you to use these shortcuts if you know how to apply them, and you see that it will make your work a lot easier and faster in Photoshop. Watch out for the part 2 of this video where we will talk about these shortcuts more as we look at how to apply them with examples.
If you liked this video, please subscribe, hit the bell button, like, and share with people who might also need this kind of content. Also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter at AB and Jack Media. This is AB and Jack Media YouTube channel, and here we keep things simple.